Okay, so I'm making a garden tour. It's I think the 6th one. I've made a lot of garden tours, and I try to do them every few days or whenever I get a chance, because the garden always gets bigger. You can see our sunflowers are finally blooming. A lot of them are. I think the last one only a couple of them were. Now quite a few of them are. So basically I try to do garden tours every few days because it always changes and gets bigger. And basically it's crazy how big they get super fast. I'm trying to think, the last one I made one was probably like 4 or 5 days ago. It was actually the last video I made. I started making these videos, I think I started the garden tours around a couple weeks ago. And it's changed a whole lot. But I really wish I started like when we first planted it. That would have been cool. Anyways, I guess I'll start over here where the pumpkins are. I gotta be careful because there's lots and lots of bees and wasps, especially at the time of day it is. It's super hot out right now. Sun's up there. It's about 5 p.m. almost, somewhere around there. And it's super hot still. And we usually get, I think we're supposed to get some thunderstorms tonight. It was breezy this morning. I don't know for sure. Here's the pumpkins. They're growing out into the grass. And, yeah. They're not really growing any bigger. They're just, the pumpkins are growing bigger. But the plants aren't really getting any bigger. There's this weird shaped one. Looks like a squash, but I don't know what's wrong with that thing. Here's some big ones. These were the first ones that kind of started out. I can't believe how big they got. It's huge. It's actually not good. It's kind of on top of where the plant started, so that's not good. There's another one. There's a couple more over here. Another one there. So this is all of our pumpkins. All this is pumpkins, and then there's sunflowers up there. These are the mammoth sunflowers. There are quite a few all along the fence, or quite a lot of them. And yep, the pumpkins started out really tiny. Now they're all over the place. This is the Brussels sprouts. They're bigger. They got, oh crap, there's a wasp there. Oops. There's a lot of paper wasps over here. I better watch out. They have, you can see this Brussels sprout, not Brussels sprouts, but like what the kind of curls are. I think that's where the Brussels sprouts kind of, I think that's where they are. And then, kind of against the stalk. And then here is this lettuce. It's doing good. I'm trying to figure out when it'll be ready. I don't know how to harvest it. I'm gonna look that up. It's got all these flowers. I'm pretty sure that's part of the lettuce. Yep, it is. Super weird. I don't know if that's how it gets pollinated. Probably how it gets its seeds. These ones are all puffs now. They were yellow, and they were yellow last time I made the video. They're just like dandelions. It's super cool. Here's the storm mix lettuce. That's what it's called. It said storm mix. I don't know which type of lettuce. I got tons of them. So yep, pumpkins are way on the other side. Still. And then here is the green onions. They're doing good. Some mammoth sunflowers. There's one up close. So that looks cool. So quite a few of them. I don't know if you saw, but there's some beautiful bees on there. I don't know if you can see them. There's so many bees and wasps all throughout this garden because the neighbor has a beehive in their yard, like a honey beehive. Here is the squash, yellow straight neck squash down there. Those might be ready. And here's the spaghetti squash. They're not doing too good. And they got like all that. More mammoth sunflowers. And then over here we have the zucchini plants. They're doing good. And then here's the cucumbers. They're all right here. There's tons of cucumbers. We're getting a lot of cucumbers lately. Yeah. Yep, and then here is more cucumbers back here. These might be ready almost. You can see a lot of them. You got cucumbers going all throughout here, and then there's some shorter sunflowers. This one I think was the first one to bloom. You can see they're all seeds now. They look kind of crazy looking. Yeah, those are all seeds. Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. Yeah, those are all seeds. And then these ones are starting to turn into seeds also. Especially that one back there. But the bees still like it. Here's the sweet potatoes. We're doing good. Trying to figure out when they're ready. Forgot how windy it was this morning. It's blew on the plant, and so it's kind of like, what the heck. It's another sunflower. These are the Crenshaw honeydew melon. There's one right here. There's one right there. A huge weird looking one right there. So we've got quite a few of those. Holy crap. This is not what I wanted this to grow. I wanted this to grow out like that. There we go, much better. Oh my gosh, this thing's all torn up because of the wind. Not cool. Yeah, I got like a little breeze this morning. Not a breeze, it was kind of like 20-mile-per-hour gusts. Not even 20, somewhere around there. Here's the, oh, this is not cool. I don't like this. How did I not even notice this? The watermelons are all tipped over. Yeah, this is the watermelons. That sucks. At least the watermelons are still there. Stupid wind. I hate that stuff so much. Utah gets the dumbest out of the blue wind. I hate that. It's annoying as heck. I hate how like you never know when it's gonna get windy in Utah. Like you kind of have to like think about it, and when you start feeling a breeze, it's gonna get windy really fast. Holy crap! Look at that cricket or that grasshopper. That's cool looking. And then there's a watermelon right here. The big one right there. That's almost ready. I think that's it. I'm guessing there's more throughout the plant. I don't know where. Probably over there. And there's more cucumbers. Yep. There's this quaking aspen tree in the backyard. I always forget to show it to you. I don't know why. We have one in the front yard, but we have one in the backyard too. I don't think I ever show it in these videos. I tried to though, I forget. Lilies that are not blooming anymore. Ooh, another round of Sweet Williams. I didn't think they'd be blooming again, but they are. It's like the third round, I think I remember. It was like early June or late May. They were blooming so good. The whole thing was blooming beautiful. Then it stopped and it looked like this. Then mid-June it was blooming great again. All the way to like early July it stopped, and now it's starting up again. Just like early mid-August. Here's the blueberry bush. We need the weed over here. This is cool. Stupid weeds. Blueberry bush right here. The blackberry bush is going crazy. I have to adjust some of that. It was down to the downstairs basement, and here's the basil. I moved them right here because I noticed the tomatoes were starting to grow where the spot they were. And I just realized it growing in the grass. I try to get them to grow this way, because so are the beans. There's only the tomatoes, there's the beans too, but then the tomatoes took over. Cherry tomatoes are doing crazy good. They're not really beans, they're just asparagus beans. They look like these things. They're cool looking. These ones might be ready soon. And then over here we got some petunias and a rose bush in the back getting its another bloom. So that's cool. Here's the basil again. And front of the backyard. And then we're bringing this couch in. I sure hope they don't run over a sprinkler. Here is the cherry tomatoes. There's the asparagus beans. We have 3 types of cherry tomatoes. We have these red cherry tomatoes, which are the normal ones. And we have the normal tomatoes. We picked a couple of those. And we have over here we have the sun sugar cherry tomatoes. Those ones are like an orange. There's Cream Puff again. Hi, Cream Puff. Hi, Cream Puff. You're always laying in these plants. There's the peppers. You can see the sun sugar cherry tomatoes are all the way over here too. Here the peppers are doing good. And there's the cherry tomatoes again, and Cream Puff. And we have everybody over here. And then here's the whatever you call it, I don't know what these are called. I just call them beautiful flowers, I guess. They're like those beige looking flowers. Not the beige, the pinkish orange look like that. And sorry. And there's some petunias in a bush. Lots of weird scattered bushes and perennials. We have lilies, more petunias, and some of these perennials. More of these perennials. All these perennials. All of them. There's just a weird thing growing here. I have no idea what it is. It looks like a zucchini plant or some, you know, actually it might be a hollyhock, but I doubt it. I remember planting like hollyhocks throughout here, but I don't know. I'll have to look it up. I don't know if it is or not. All these beautiful flowers. We have these, they're cool looking. And then we have more petunias, more perennials, fake petunias. These beautiful flowers are gonna, well, I guess they're still blooming because I got these. These will start blooming before winter comes. These are still blooming, these are done. Yeah, and yellow flowers. I'm not sure if these are snapdragons or not, but they look like something. This looks like a trunk of a tree or something. The fake petunias are not they're hibiscuses. I don't know why I call them petunias. They're fake hibiscuses. Sweet William plant right there. It's really small though. It's in the second bloom also. That's crazy. They're like copying each other. Here's the boxwood bushes. There's a lot of them. More of these flowers. And some lilies, and then all this, and then there's the cat spruce, little tiny bush. Then we have our Douglas fir tree and our quaking aspen. There's a bunch of flies all over me. This is stupid. Then all the way over here, I guess I never really showed this much either, but if you go back here near the pool, we have, neighbors have this Virginia creeper vine weed, but like they also have this this, I guess it's kind of ours, I guess. We have this, and we have this little tree. It's not even a tree, it's like water sprouts from a tree trunk that chopped down. These are box elders on this side, they're box elder maples on this side, and then on the other side right here, this is all Russian olive. It's hard to get by, but this is all Russian olive, so box elder and then Russian olive, and then more Virginia creeper and grapevines mixed. So we have a grapevine over here. And there's those red berries are not the grapes, they're Virginia creeper berries. Here's the grapes back there, I don't know if you can see. And then that's about it, there's more over here. So yeah, hold on, let's see if I can get it. There we go. Yeah. But that's about it. That's our yard. That's our garden tour, part 6, I'm guessing. Hope y'all enjoy this video. And hope y'all like it. This is gonna be the end of this video. So that's all of our garden. So see ya.